Gusto ko dito mag-umpisa. Richard, ito mapangahas. Ito'y matapang na tanong. Sabi kasi nila, yung pinakamalaki mong romance sometimes is your biggest breakup. Sa karera mo, do you consider Aldab as your biggest romance? And is it also your biggest breakup?
Romance, yes, Tito Boy. Ang daming opportunities na dumating po sa buhay ko. Because of it, I'm very grateful to Maine. I'm very grateful to Eat Bulaga. By all means, sincerely. Kasi parang dun ko po na ramdaman na talagang when you work hard for something, si Lord, pag may hinihingi ka, hindi niya yan ibibigay sa panahong gusto mong makuha. He always has this magic of giving it at the right timing. But breakup, Tito Boy, yes. But hindi...
Aldab was also a breakup.
A breakup. But let's remove the negative context of breakup in this conversation,
Okay.
Tito Boy, with Aldab. Because it doesn't necessarily mean that when you're going through a breakup, laging masama, laging masakit, laging malungkot. It was a breakup because both of us, Maine and I, we needed growth. We needed to, parang venture into our individual lives, to learn more.
And move forward.
And move forward po, yes.
Okay, tanong. Did you fall for Maine Mendoza?
Yes, Tito Boy. Yes po. Hypocrite po ako kung hindi. And, yes po, ayoko pong sabihin alam niya. Pero I did confess.
I also wouldn't follow up. Bilang pagbibigay respeto because Maine has gotten married.
Yes po,
Okay.
of course. Very